Hi, Charlotte. Hi. Can you... Actually, you can't see anything, can you? Hi. Hi. Hi, look at you. She's about 8.5 months. Yeah. Hi. Mama. Let's look at her. Look at her. Look at you. Look at Charlotte. Charlotte just woke up from her nap. Gonna get Gabrielle in about an hour and a half. Hi, Charlotte. Give you a big smile. Yay! Charlotte, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Charlotte learned how to crawl this week. For real. Not just dragging herself across the floor. There she goes. Yay, Charlotte! Yay! Yay! She's coming to Mama. Okay, time to stop.